Good afternoon, West Michigan. Looking at a fairly quiet afternoon across West Michigan. You can see traffic moving along very smoothly through downtown Grand Rapids. We had bright sunshine in place this morning, but you can definitely notice the clouds are taking over as we look off to the west, the downtown Grand Rapids Grand Valley State University campus. And as we check out what we're tracking, we've got some significant weather changes unfolding over the next several days. So if you have errands to run, you don't like to travel around with precipitation in the area, you probably want to get those errands run today. We do have a wintry mixture of precipitation coming late tonight into early tomorrow morning that could end up arriving as a freezing rain, sleet, snow event early tomorrow morning. It changes over to snow as we have colder air settling in during the afternoon tomorrow, and then we quiet things down for tomorrow afternoon into Friday and Saturday. But another system coming in for Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday, brings widespread snow into the Great Lakes region, followed by an Arctic air mass as we head into the early part of next week. In fact, we're going to be talking about January cold rolling in. Early January cold rolling in for the first part of February. The short term, again, looking at temperatures this midday in the 20s to around 30 degrees. And the winds have picked up just a little bit since early this morning. So breezy conditions, feels like readings are holding in the teens to low 20s. Now, as we head through the rest of this afternoon, the clouds will be on the increase, but as you can see here on Storm Track Live Radar, not a whole lot in terms of precipitation. In fact, even off to our west, not a lot of weather activity coming together. There's a storm system that's in the process of coming together, so the precipitation that will be impacting West Michigan, not quite detectable yet on this radar scan. But as we look through the Futurecast computer models, you'll notice really the trend. Again, through this evening, 10, 11 o'clock, even into midnight, we stay dry. But notice what happens during the overnight period. That area of precipitation overspreads the region starting out early tomorrow morning, again as a wintry mix. Temperatures will be pretty close to the freezing mark. There may be some slightly warmer air in the mid-levels of the atmosphere, and that will allow a little bit of mixing to go on. By noon tomorrow, you can notice the heaviest of the precipitation off to our east. This is not going to be a significant weather maker for us. It's really the timing of arrival that will cause the significant impact, because we'll have the precipitation around at the height of the morning commute. So early tomorrow morning, as you head out to work or school, look for, again, the potential for some slippery travel conditions. By tomorrow, late afternoon into the evening, we really dry things out, and then skies do clear out tomorrow night into early Friday. So I think we'll start the day Friday with at least some sunshine around. Weather alerts, we've got a winter weather advisory. That'll go into effect at 1 o'clock tomorrow morning and will linger through 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, as that's when it looks like the best dynamics for that precip coming through. I really think the heaviest of that precipitation out of here early tomorrow afternoon. But tomorrow becomes breezy with clearing skies, lows back into the teens early Friday morning. Most of Friday looks dry, and most of Saturday looks dry as well. And then the next system coming in for Super Bowl Sunday with widespread snow. And then behind that, when we get air cold enough, that will likely generate some lake effect snow with Arctic air settling in for Monday and Tuesday. And we definitely want to remind you to stay with us. Chief Meteorologist Bill Steffen, along with Kyle Underwood tonight starting at 5 o'clock. Kyle also, by the way, breaking down the latest on that East Coast storm system, adding up all the final totals and everything. And then, of course, previewing the potential for that Super Bowl Sunday snow. We are fully staffed here, complete newscasts, even though Wood TV and NBC presenting the Super Bowl this year, looking at, of course, updates throughout the weekend on the weather situation that we'll be tracking for you.
We'll be all over it.
That's
we have
right.
a great lineup on Sunday. It's going to be great.
Sure is.
Okay, Terry, thank you. The commercial